Good morning, students. So today I'm going to take a chapter metallurgy, as according to the new reduced syllabus. The topics that I have to take from the chapter metallurgy is first extraction of metals based on the activity series, secondly extraction of aluminium, and third uses of metals, alloys. Okay. Now students, we will read the chapter metallurgy, and the topic is extraction of metals based on the activity series. That is your 7C. The first topic that is in the book is occurrence of metals. Now boys, metals they are found in two states. That is one free state and a combined state. Free state means the metals which are not attacked by the moisture, carbon dioxide of air or the oxygen and any other non-metal. They are found to be in the free state. For example, gold and platinum, right? Then the metals which are quite reactive and they react with the carbon dioxide, oxygen, moisture and the various non-metals like sulfur or the halogens, they are said to be the metals found in the combined state. For example, sodium, potassium, they are mainly occur as their chlorides, calcium and magnesium as carbonates, aluminium as its oxide, zinc, lead, copper, mercury and silver, they are found as sulfides. Now we will learn the common terms which are used in this chapter, extraction. So first we are going to learn about the metallurgy. What is metallurgy? Metallurgy, it is a process which is used for the extraction of metals in their pure form from the ore. Now the question arises, what do you mean by ores? Ores. Ores are what? The minerals from which metals are extracted commercially at the low cost with the minimum efforts. So that is termed as ores. Now we will learn what are minerals. Okay. So now I'm going to explain you the topic minerals. What are the minerals? The natural occurring compounds of matters which are found in the earth's crust mixed with the other matter like earthly impurities such as soil, sand and rocks. So what are they termed as? They are termed as minerals. After that, the next topic, the next term in the extraction, it is a gangue. Gangue is also known as matrix. What do you mean by matrix? The earthly impurities like soil, sand, rock, silica, mud and etc. which are being associated with the ore, they are called as a gangue. Gangue or the matrix. Now, we will learn the next two terms, that is the flux and slag. So, what is flux? A flux is a substance that is added to the charge in a furnace to remove the gangue. Then what is slag? It is a fusible product which is formed when the flux reacts with the impurities during the extraction of metals. For example, now see, gangue. Silica, it reacts with the flux, that is the calcium carbonate, so as to form the slag. Okay. So now the last term that we will be taking in this chapter, that is a smelting. So what is smelting? It is a process of producing the roasted ore and then removing the gangue with the help of an appropriate flux added with the ore. So what it reduces the oxide ore to the metals in the molten condition, right?